Hello, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic that is intellectual giftedness. Already from the previous class, we have got the idea that psychologists are very much eager to study about intellectual giftedness. Actually, they are different from the normal population in respect of their cognitive, emotional, and motivational characteristics. Now, intellectually gifted individuals show higher performance because of their outstanding potentialities. Now, the study of gifted individuals began in the year 1925 when Lewis Terman followed the lives of about 1,500 children with IQs of 130 and above to examine how intelligence was related to occupational success and life adjustments. Many people think that talent and giftedness are same. Actually, they are often used interchangeably, but they mean different things. Now, giftedness actually it is the general ability, exceptional ability actually shown in superior performance in a wide variety of areas. They show their superior performance in a different variety of areas, a wide variety of areas, not only in one area. But talent actually it is a narrower term and it refers to remarkable ability in a specific field. It may be the aesthetic field, spiritual field, social field, and so on. So they are known as the talented. Now, highly talented persons actually are sometimes called prodigies. Now, prodigies means the people who have some exceptional abilities in some specific areas. Now, psychologists actually they state that from the teacher's point of view, gifted people have certain characteristics such as the high ability, high creativity, high commitment, and so on. Now, gifted children they show early signs of intellectual superiority. তেওঁলোকে বহুত সৰুতেই এই intellectual superiority বিলাক show কৰে. Even during infancy and even early childhood, they show larger attention span, then good recognition, memory, then preference for novelty, sensitivity to environmental changes, and early appearance of language skills. গতিকে বহুত সৰুতে exceptional talents বিলাক বেলেগ বেলেগ লাইনত গিফটেড চিলড্ৰেনে কি কৰে শ্ব' কৰে মানে এটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ এৰিয়াত নহয় বেলেগ বেলেগ এৰিয়াত তেওঁলোকে ৱাইড ভেৰাইটি অফ এৰিয়াত তেওঁলোকে কি কৰে তেওঁলোকৰ এক্সেপশ্যনেল এবিলিটিজবিলাক শ্ব' কৰে So to equate giftedness with brilliant academic performance actually is not correct. Now athletes who show superior psychomotor ability, they also are gifted. Now each gifted student possesses different strengths, personalities and characteristics. প্ৰত্যেকজন gifted children আচলতে একে ধৰণৰ নহয় তেওঁলোকৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ characteristics থাকে বা তেওঁলোকৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ strengths থাকে বেলেগ বেলেগ personality থাকে. So there are some common characteristics of gifted children. These are shown in this table. Number 1, advanced logical thinking, questioning and problem solving behavior. Actually gifted children কি আছে যেটো logical thinking এটা বহুত high levelৰ হয় questioning capacities বিলাক বহুত high হয় problem solving behaviors বিলাক বহুত superior হয়. They are different from the common people actually. And the second characteristic is that the high speed in processing information. They process information in a very quick way. That is the second important characteristic. The third one is superior generalization and discrimination ability. That is also different from the common people. And again the fourth one is advanced level of original and creative thinking. So originality and creativity, these are some important characteristics of the gifted children. The next one is high level of intrinsic motivation and self-esteem. These people actually have high self-esteem and also they are intrinsically motivated. Then next one is the independent and non-conformist thinking. Their thinking are completely independent. And the last one is the preference for solitary academic activities for long periods. So these are some important features of gifted children. Now performance on intelligence tests is not the only measure for identifying the gifted. বহুত মানুহে অকল ইন্টেলিজেন্স টেষ্ট কৰি পেলাই 130 above IQ হলে ইন্ডিভিজুৱেল জনক গিফটেড বুলি ক'ব বিচাৰে একচুয়ালি অকল হেতুৱে সাফিশিয়েন্ট নহয় তাৰ লগতে আৰু বহুত কিছুমান ইনফৰমেশন কালেক্ট কৰিব লাগিব যেনেকে টিচাৰ্স জাজমেন্ট স্কুল এচিভমেন্ট ৰেকৰ্ড পেৰেন্টস ইন্টাৰভিউজ দেন পিয়াৰ এণ্ড সেলফ ৰেটিংস সো এই গোটেইখিনিৰ হেল্পত এজন ইন্ডিভিজুৱেলক গিফটেড হয় নে নহয় ক'ব পাৰি along with the intelligence tests. So, to reach their full potential, actually, gifted children require special attention and different educational programs beyond those provided to normal children in regular classroom. Actually, normal children of regular classroom যিবিলাক যেনেকুৱা ধৰণে টিচিং প্ৰভাইড কৰা হয় এইখিনিৰ উপৰিও কি লাগে গিফটেড চিলড্ৰেনক কিছুমান এক্সেপশ্যনেল ধৰা টিচিং প্ৰভাইড কৰিব লগা হয় সিহঁতক স্পেচিয়েল এটেনশ্যন দিব লগা হয় আৰু বেলেগ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ এডুকেশ্যনেল প্ৰগ্ৰাম যদি এৰেঞ্জ কৰা হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে এই গিফটেড চিলড্ৰেনখিনিৰ এবিলিটিজবিলাক আৰু বেছি ইম্প্ৰুভ কৰাব পাৰি So these may include life enrichment programs that can sharpen children's skills in productive thinking, then planning, decision making and communication. আৰু সেইকাৰণে কি লাগে গিফটেড চিলড্ৰেনক স্পেচিয়েলি এটেনশ্যন দিব লগা হয় আৰু তেতিয়া এইখিনি চিলড্ৰেনে কি কৰিব পাৰে নিজকে আৰু বেছি দূৰলৈ আগবঢ়াই লৈ যাব পাৰে আৰু বহুত বেছি নিজকে ডেভেলপ কৰাব পাৰে থেংক ইউ